A powerful 650-watt peak motor propels this e-bike to a top speed of 20 miles per hour, offering 3 distinct riding modes for versatility. Its removable 499 watt-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 45 miles in pedal assist mode and can be fully recharged in just 5 hours. Designed for ultimate convenience, the bicycle features a simple, one-step folding mechanism, making it incredibly easy to store in a car trunk or carry on public transport. An exceptional full suspension system with 9 individual shock absorbers, combined with a dual-seat design, ensures a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride. Safety is clearly a priority, with features like bright LED lighting, reliable front and rear disc brakes, and the assurance of a full UL 2849 certification. The intelligent motor effortlessly assists with climbing steep inclines of up to 30 degrees, and the sturdy frame can support a total weight of up to 300 pounds.